But so far, we don't know of much utility for this coin, except that it is a meme coin of President Trump himself. Some of that ended badly for many years, but it really did spawn a very important movement in technology, and we think the same is true here. The new administration is doing is changing fear into optimism, and with deregulation, I think that's highly underestimated.
Are meme coins about to shake up the crypto landscape once again? Cathie Wood is keeping a close eye on market shifts, from regulatory changes under Trump to AI's growing role in finance. She's betting big on Bitcoin, Ether, and Solana, but what's next for DeFi? We're diving into her bold forecasts and the strategies that could redefine the industry. Also, if you enjoy listening to crypto-related content, please show your support by liking and subscribing to this channel by following the link in my bio, and get access to my free daily crypto updates and expert predictions direct to your inbox. Each newsletter contains on-chain data, forecasts and expert predictions. All of this is available free of charge. It only takes a moment to sign up and you can always change your mind later. Now back over to Cathie Wood.
Oh, I think he's very committed to crypto. Actually, what happened the night before his inauguration, I think he launched some meme coins, and that caused quite a stir in the crypto community. He's also named Paul Atkins to be the SEC commissioner. He is pro-crypto. Senator Lummis has said that she's looking forward to the Atkins diet under Atkins as he becomes the SEC commissioner, and really regulates digital assets the way they should be regulated. I think the SEC is going to be prudent, but in terms of liberal, I think that as long as the sponsors are following the 40 Act laws, that they will allow many of these new products. Yes, it's a meme coin. In 2017, we went through the ICO movement, which was very much, if you remember, CryptoKitties started a movement back then in ICOs. This is part of the meme coin moment. Is it going to have any utility? We shall see. I mean, there is speculation that you'll get to meet President Trump as one of the utilities of owning this coin. I don't know if that's the case or not, but so far we don't know of much utility for this coin, except that it is a meme coin of President Trump himself. In the early days of really, I think he's ushering in the next phase of the crypto revolution. We're very focused on the big three. So Bitcoin, and as you know, ARKB is one of the larger spot Bitcoin ETFs out there, happily. Ether and Solana in our private funds. So those we believe are the big three. And then we think the decentralized financial services movement, some people call it DeFi or internet financial services or even Finternet. We think that is going to be big. That's very Ethereum and Solana based. And so there are some crypto assets that are providing great utility for that movement. It's interesting, and Chris Berniski, who was our first crypto analyst, now we would call that digital assets analyst, he made a comment on X this weekend that I think is true, that the ICO movement in 2017 really brought this new technology, or at least curiosity about this new technology, to a whole new group of people. And while, some in the traditional crypto world considered it, I think he used the word cringy or something like that, it really did open a lot of eyes. And it did usher in, that year we had, I think, if I'm not mistaken, Bitcoin went from 1,000 to 20,000 as part of this movement. This is a lot like the early days of the internet, and we laid a lot of fiber, right? A lot of money and eyeballs attracted at that time. And yes, some of that, buyer beware, some of that ended badly for many years, but it really did spawn a very important movement in technology, and we think the same is true here. Well, we are doing what we've always always done, which is investing in truly transformative innovation across sectors. So that's, we have not changed at all. There is a meme out there going around, which is very interesting. And unfortunately, in these momentum-driven markets, perhaps more true than we would have liked. If you look at the beginning of the last administration, that was our peak, the peak in innovation. And we went through, as did everybody, a bear market, hit disproportionately. And we had been underperforming until it seems the idea that we were going to have a new administration started moving into the market. So when you say the market's been very strong, sure, yes, it has, but it's been very concentrated to very few names. In fact, if you use a Goldman study, it has never been more concentrated. And this includes during the Great Depression, when that was a binary decision with 25% unemployment and 30% drop in GDP. Is this company going to survive? We were more concentrated than that. So I would say, even though the market did hit all-time highs, it was powered by very cash-rich companies. And there has been a lot of fear out there. And I think what the new administration is doing is changing fear into optimism. And, with deregulation, I think that's highly underestimated, how important deregulation is going to be to unleashing animal spirit. So we're pretty excited about this. And yes, our strategies are starting to break out. I don't know if it's momentum or not. We haven't changed what we're doing. We think these companies are going to transform the world. They're just now being recognized a little more now that risk appetite is picking up a bit.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to access my free daily crypto updates and expert predictions direct to your inbox.